So we started, Justina, my co-founder, she and I were living in London, and she decided that she wanted to start making soap. And we started with a stall at Greenwich Market. I think what makes us unique is the products we make and the value for money that we offer customers. So before we adopted Mint Soft and Unleashed, it was pretty chaotic. We were growing very, very rapidly and really losing control of our stock holding, of our manufacturing process. We were losing control of production. We were still running the business using Excel spreadsheets, and that was a nightmare. At scale, we were running out of ingredients, having too much of other ingredients, and we just lost control. And that was combined with very, very rapid growth. So we were growing at 100% a year, and it was challenging. Very similar story inside using Mint Soft in our picking and packing operation. We were again growing very, very quickly, and we needed more control. We needed a better understanding of booking couriers and general automation and picking and packing accuracy, which we just didn't have beforehand. The challenges we had in Unleashed, there was a very real problem that we were having. We were losing sales because we kept running out of products. We wouldn't have the right amount of ingredients in, so we then couldn't sell that product.
Before getting involved with Mint Soft, we had a very simple picking and packing layout. So it was a case of printing off orders individually and then picking and packing the orders.
So when we were onboarding, we did both products at the same time because we have manufacturing and our e-commerce side. So that both products had to pretty much go live at the same time.
What's nice about Unleashed is you can gradually add layers of complexity on. So although the software has a huge amount of functionality, you can start relatively small with it, and which is what we did, really just around assemblies, and then gradually we've added in using purchase orders and stock counts and barcoding. So we use it, I would say we now use every part of the functionality of the site, but we certainly didn't start off like that. Mint Soft is a much more simple product in many ways, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. If you've got orders to ship out to customers, Mint Soft's going to do that for you. It's going to manage your relationship with the courier. It's going to control your picking and packing. And again, we started off using it at a very simple level, without locations and without barcode scanning. And then gradually we've added in things to give us more control and usability of it. Both software products work really well for us as a small 5-person business, and equally work well for us with having 200 people inside the business and beyond. Taking both products, Unleashed and Mint Soft, together, we couldn't run the business without them. It's absolutely as simple as that. You know, we have grown we're growing at 100% a year, and that growth has been entirely underpinned by the performance and our interaction with Unleashed and Mint Soft. They're critical to our business.
We've used an Unleashed. Processing times are still processing times. It still takes us the same time to make our products as it did. What it does assist us is knowing how efficient we are in making them, in terms of, with the stock control, how much goes into the bill of materials against how much is used in assemblies. So that's very, very key, because that helps us with our efficiencies at the other end, at the financial end, which is the most important.
So once we'd installed Mint Soft as a system, we were able to do multi-batch picking, so we could pick from 16 totes in one go, enabling us to pick a large number of orders in a short period of time.
So Unleashed makes my job really easy, very user-friendly, and I love that everything's categorised.
If a customer either emails or calls with a query, whereabouts their order's up to, and they want to know any information about it, we can go over to Mint Soft, pop in their order number, and we can see whereabouts it's up to and the status of the order. And we can amend customers' orders as well. So if a customer does call or email, we can amend different products on the order, and also the delivery information and customer details.
We are 50 times bigger in sales than we were in 2019. So in 5 years, and that growth exactly coincided with our use of Mint Soft and Unleashed. So it has produced a 50x increase for us in sales terms during that time. And we couldn't have done it without those two pieces of software. They are completely integral to the way that we run and operate the business.